Are you looking for a little more appetite suppression while you're on your retatrutide or tirzepatide or semaglutide? Well, I got something for you, and it's not called cagrilintide. It's called tesofensine. And tesofensine works differently than the GLP-1 medications and cagrilintide, as cagrilintide mimics the hormone amylin. Tesofensine is what's known as a serotonin, norepinephrine, dopamine reuptake inhibitor, meaning it blocks these three neurotransmitters in the brain and instead increasing it in the synaptic cleft. And the synaptic cleft is that tiny little space between two nerve cells or neurons where they communicate with each other. Tesofensine was originally developed by a company called Neurosearch for Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease, but they found during their clinical trials that the side effect was weight loss. So they decided to run their own clinical trials for weight loss. And they dosed patients anywhere from 1/4 milligram to 1 milligram for a 24-week study. And they found that people could lose anywhere from 4.5 to 10.6% of their body weight within those 24 weeks. But compared to GLP-1 medications, this is not a lot of weight. And there were more side effects than people really anticipated, where even up to the 1 milligram, people were experiencing high blood pressure, which is pretty dangerous. And another good thing about tesofensine is that it's not another injectable. It is an oral that you can get. So although tesofensine might not be a great option on its own, it is a great option if you're on a tirzepatide or retatrutide and you need additional appetite suppression and you don't really like cagrilintide. Now, the side effects are pretty common to those on GLP-1 medications. Nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation. It's kind of the same thing, so it's definitely something to be worried about. And high blood pressure is definitely something to be worried about. So always do your own research. Always dig deep before you do anything. Always consult a doctor before you do anything. Again, this is not medical advice. This is for education and research purposes only. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a good one.